When it comes to enhancing the security, aesthetics, and overall functionality of your Pasadena home, one of the most important upgrades you can make is replacing your doors. Whether you're looking to upgrade your entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, the installation process plays a significant role in ensuring that your new doors perform at their best. While DIY door installation may seem like a cost-effective option, professional door installation offers several advantages that can make it a more worthwhile investment in the long run. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of professional door installation for homeowners in Pasadena, helping you understand why hiring an expert can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Expertise and precision. One of the primary benefits of hiring a professional to install your doors is their expertise and experience. Installing a door might seem like a simple task, but it requires precision and attention to detail to ensure that everything fits perfectly. Poor installation can lead to numerous problems down the road, such as drafts, security issues, or even damage to the door and frame. Correct measurements. Professional installers have the knowledge and tools to measure your door frame accurately, ensuring that your new door fits perfectly. This eliminates the chance of gaps or misalignments, which could lead to energy loss or difficulties in opening and closing the door. Secure fit. A proper installation ensures that the door is securely fitted and sealed. If your door isn't installed correctly, it can create weak points for intruders or let-in air, reducing your home's energy efficiency. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is an important consideration when replacing doors, especially in a climate like Pasadena's, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year. Improperly installed doors can cause drafts and heat loss, which can raise your energy bills and make your home uncomfortable. Tight seals. A professional door installation ensures that the weather stripping and seals around your door are properly fitted. This helps prevent heat from escaping in the winter and keeps your home cool in the summer, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and lowering your utility costs. High-quality insulation. Many modern doors come with built-in insulation, which contributes to energy efficiency. Professional installers ensure that your door is properly insulated and sealed, improving your home's overall energy performance. Increased home security. Your doors are your first line of defense when it comes to keeping your home safe and secure. A professionally installed door can provide a higher level of security than one that is poorly fitted or installed incorrectly. Whether you're upgrading your front entry door or installing new sliding patio doors, having a secure door can give you peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Reinforced frame and locks. Professional installers use high-quality materials to ensure that the door frame is secure and stable. They also ensure that locks are installed properly, making it more difficult for burglars to break in. Impact-resistant doors. Many professionals offer impact-resistant doors, especially for homes in areas prone to storms or extreme weather. These doors are built to withstand external forces, providing extra protection against break-ins and the elements. Better aesthetic appeal. Your door is one of the first things guests and potential buyers will notice when they approach your home. A well-chosen door can greatly enhance your home's curb appeal, while a poorly installed door can detract from its appearance. Professional door installation ensures that your new door fits perfectly and complements your home's overall style. Seamless design integration. Professional installers take the time to ensure that your door is aligned with the rest of your home's architectural style. Whether you choose a traditional wooden door or a modern fiberglass entryway, a pro will install it with attention to detail, ensuring it looks like it was meant to be there. Customization options. Many professional installers offer a wide range of design options, allowing you to choose a door that reflects your personal style. Whether you're looking for a door with decorative glass panels, custom hardware, or a specific finish, a professional installation will bring your vision to life. Long-term durability and warranty. Investing in professional installation often comes with the added benefit of warranty protection. Many professional installers offer warranties on both the door and the installation. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong after the installation, you'll have the support to fix it without incurring additional costs. Extended lifespan. When installed by professionals, your doors are likely to last longer, as the proper installation minimizes wear and tear. You won't have to worry about drafts, squeaky hinges, or malfunctioning locks due to improper installation. Maintenance and support. A professional door installation often comes with the opportunity for ongoing support, including maintenance and repairs. This can extend the life of your door and help keep it functioning properly for many years. Time and stress saving. Installing a door, especially one that requires precise measurements or customization, can be a time-consuming process for homeowners without the right tools or experience. A professional installation saves you time and hassle, ensuring that your door is installed quickly and correctly the first time. Efficient installation. Professional installers have the expertise to complete the job efficiently, often in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it yourself. They handle everything from removing the old door to cleaning up afterward, leaving you with a perfectly installed door and minimal disruption to your routine. Avoiding mistakes. DIY door installation can lead to costly mistakes, such as incorrect measurements, damaged frames, or misaligned doors. Professionals eliminate these risks, providing a hassle-free experience. Conclusion. For Pasadena homeowners looking to upgrade their doors, hiring a professional for the installation process is a smart decision. From ensuring precision and energy efficiency to enhancing your home's security and aesthetic appeal, a professional door installation provides numerous benefits that can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio doors, or interior doors, professional installation guarantees that your new doors will be both functional and beautiful for years to come.